In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download an emo voice message. If you've received a voice message in emo and you want to save it in a way that's easier to access later, this method is simple and practical. The idea is to forward the voice message to another chat so you can locate the audio file more easily. Just follow along carefully and you'll be able to do it in a moment. Start by opening the emo app and going to the chat where the voice message was originally sent. Once you're inside the conversation, scroll if needed until you find the specific voice message you want to download. Make sure you select the correct one, especially if there are several audio messages in the same chat. When you find it, press and hold the voice message. Keep your finger on it for a moment until a menu or set of options appears on the screen. This long press is what allows you to interact with the message beyond simply playing it. If nothing happens the first time, try again and hold it a little longer. From the options that appear, tap Forward. This tells emo that you want to send a copy of that voice message to another conversation. Forwarding is useful here because it helps create a version of the message in a chat that's easier for you to manage. Next, send the voice message to another chat, such as a chat with yourself if that option is available. The goal is simply to move the message into a place where you can quickly access it without scrolling through older conversations. After selecting the destination chat, confirm the forward so the message is sent. Now open that new chat. Once you're there, look for the forwarded voice message you just sent. It should appear like a regular audio message in the conversation. Take a moment to make sure it has fully loaded before moving on, especially if your internet connection is slow. Finally, find the audio file. Depending on your device and version of the app, this may mean tapping the message, checking the available options, or locating where the forwarded media is stored on your phone. If needed, give the app a few seconds to process the file. Once you've found it, you'll have easier access to that voice message for listening or managing later. And that's it. That's how to download an emo voice message quickly and easily.